What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2023 Honda CRF450RWE, the Works Edition. This will apply to other 450 models as well on the Honda side. This actually has a fast idle button. It's not a choke button, it's just called fast idle, which is this guy right here. And you just pull it out just like a normal choke style, and idle will be up a little bit. And you really only need this if the weather is quite cold, maybe below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can also adjust the regular idle with the same knob just by loosening it to raise the idle and tightening it to lower the idle. Very simple. So let's do it real quick. Now, four strokes in general, you know, it's good to have the idle up just a little bit. It makes it easier on them so they don't try and stall so easily around tight corners and things. So I recommend, you know, a tad higher idle than you might think, especially higher than a two-stroke idle. And unfortunately, I don't have a tachometer on it right now, so I can't tell you the exact RPMs, but it, you know, slightly higher is good for these guys. And if you want to adjust the idle, just turn the knob. You just loosen it a little bit, like so. If you want to lower it, just tighten the knob, like so. Very simple. And also remember that four strokes in general, they run hotter than two strokes, so don't just let them idle, you know, for several minutes. They will overheat. So, you know, once you're ready to go riding, you know, if you're at the track or your trail or whatever, basically get dressed, you know, get ready to go, fill your tank, check your fluids and whatnot, and just crank the bike up, maybe let it warm up for 30 seconds, if that, and take off. You know, don't overdo it, because these bikes are hot-natured, and that's pretty common with the modern four-stroke racing bike. And what else did I notice? I have a radiator cap with a thermometer on it. I noticed riding yesterday, it was around 180 degrees Fahrenheit when it was fully hot, which is a little warmer. You know, my two strokes are around a 170, 168 or so. So, you know, they run hotter in general. That's just the nature of them. Anyway, we got other videos about this awesome bike. I rode it, you know, yesterday for the first time at a track. I rode for the first time at a track in 2 years. So it's been quite a while for me. You know how life gets in the way, and just things happen. You just don't get to ride as much as you hope to. But I went yesterday, and this bike is really, really fantastic. I'll do another video about, you know, what I felt about the bike and things about it and whatnot, but it's a fantastic bike. If you can find one at a good price on the Works Edition, I highly recommend it. But unfortunately, they're kind of hard to find and kind of rare, so usually not very, very inexpensive, unfortunately. But if you can find one, jump on it. Anyway, we got plenty of other videos on our channel, so check it out. 1,500 plus videos about motorcycles, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, cars, trucks, stuff around the house. Check it out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you later.